Welcome to this Dopamine Restoration Protocol. Dopamine lies at the heart of detriment for both addicts and high performers. NSDR is the only way to accelerate the restoration of your dopamine pool apart from getting quality sleep and avoiding frequent excitement. Many people will struggle because of spending dopamine faster than it can be restored. Think of NSDR as filling your gas tank daily, never allowing your life force to get too low. Breathe normally throughout this practice unless instructed otherwise. For those of you who have read my book, Dopamine Dynamics, and are familiar with the physiological sigh breathing technique, use it whenever I guide you through deactivation breathing. Begin by finding a comfortable seated or reclined position, allowing your body to fully relax. Immerse yourself in a soothing, dark environment and gently close your eyes. Breathe naturally and let your mind focus on the calming rhythm of your breath. Now, transition to a deactivation breathing pattern. Inhale deeply through your nose or through your mouth and feel your chest expanding as your lungs fill with air. Exhale completely through thinly pursed lips as if through a small straw. Repeat this pattern twice more. Focus on making your exhales longer in duration than your inhales, allowing each extended exhale to calm your nervous system and slow down your heart rate. Return to normal breathing. In your mind's eye, envision yourself standing above and looking down at your seated or reclined body. Imagine your eyes transforming into radiant sources of light, beaming their glow upon your relaxed form below. Choose the scope of your visual field. Either illuminate your entire body with light beaming from your panoramic view, or narrow your vision to highlight a single body part while the rest of your body merges with the darkness. Go ahead and direct your beam of light towards your stomach. Visualize your stomach rising and falling in its natural rhythm. Now, expand the light on your stomach as you inhale deeply, gradually revealing your entire body as your lungs fill with air. Exhale through thinly pursed lips and witness the light slowly narrowing back to only your stomach. Experience this interplay of light and breath once more. Inhale deeply, expanding the light on your stomach to illuminate your entire body. And as you exhale, the light slowly contracts back to your stomach. Return to normal breathing. Direct your spotlight of attention to the bottoms of your feet. They may be sensing the air, socks, shoes, or even Crocs. Focus on the soles of your feet and perceive any sensations they may encounter. Gradually expand your beam of light to include the tops of your feet, calves, shins, hamstrings, and thighs. Let your field of vision continue to expand, extending all the way to your waist. In your mind's eye, visualize the entirety of your lower half being bathed in a radiant light beaming from your own gaze. As you prolong this mental image of your lower body illuminated, the intensity of the light continues to strengthen. In this moment, you are not seeking anything or anyone. Your concentration remains primarily on the boundaries of your own skin. As you engage in this blissful body scan, understand that you're not only initiating calmness and relaxation, but also with each passing moment, your dopamine pool is filling up, ensuring optimal motivation and drive for your future endeavors. Now, direct your beam of light back to your stomach so that you can see it rising and falling to its natural rhythm. Once again, expand your beam of light as you inhale deeply until your entire body is illuminated. And as you exhale, begin to slowly narrow the light back to only your stomach. Let's do that again. As you inhale deeply, reveal more of your body with light. And as you exhale through thinly pursed lips, slowly narrow the light back to only your stomach. Return to normal breathing and witness your stomach rising and falling to its natural rhythm. Begin to expand your beam of light, gradually uncovering your upper abdomen, chest, neck, face, shoulders, arms, and hands, all the way to the tips of your fingers. In your mind's eye, visualize the entirety of your upper body being bathed in a radiant light beaming from your own gaze. As you prolong this mental image of your upper body illuminated, the intensity of the light continues to strengthen. Now, direct your perception towards the surface that your body is in contact with. Focus on those points of contact. Inhale deeply through your nose or through your mouth, and as you exhale, imagine your body sinking slightly into whatever surface you're in contact with. Return to normal breathing. Focus on relaxing the muscles of your face. Let the soothing light beaming from your vision illuminate your entire head. Imagine your face bathed in a radiant glow, each muscle effortlessly releasing its tension. Embrace total relaxation. Any pursuit beyond your inner sanctuary has been deactivated. Begin slowly expanding your beam of light to include your neck, shoulders, arms, chest, hips, shins, and all the way back down to your toes. In your mind's eye, imagine yourself beaming down a bright and powerful light, illuminating your entire body within your field of vision. Now, purposefully dim your light, reducing its intensity. Inhale Inhale deeply and exhale completely. As you exhale, imagine your body sinking slightly into the surface it's resting on. Continue to breathe normally. I want you to think of a moment in your life when someone thanked you for something you did for them, or a moment where you saw someone receive help. Try to get in touch with the emotions you felt during that moment. As you rewind through your life experiences, extend the length of your exhales just a bit. Continue focusing on that experience while I talk, or bring your attention back to my voice if no memories have come to mind. This is a neuroscience protocol known as received gratitude, and it is much more effective than traditional gratitude. Received gratitude will activate circuits of motivation and well-being, as well deactivate circuits involved with fear and anxiety. Try to remember a time that someone thanked you for something you did for them, or a time you saw someone receive help. If nothing came to mind, that is fine. When you have some free time, try brainstorming for memories you can utilize during this portion of NSDR. As you maintain a steady rhythm of natural breaths, allow your fingers to dance with subtle grace. You are the masterful conductor of your nervous system, orchestrating your perception and actions. Gently mobilize your ankles, flex your knees, and let your head sway in a soothing motion. Elevate your arms and rest them back down. Slowly unveil the beauty of the world as you open your eyes. Dopamine is your life force. It is your energy, your ability to move, your general desire to do anything at all. When dopamine is high, you feel good, and when it is low, you feel bad. You only have so much life force readily available to be deployed, and you do not want to deplete your dopamine pool faster than it can be restored. A wide range of thoughts, behaviors, activities, and substances will drain your dopamine pool at a rapid rate. It's important to know what releases your dopamine and how to protect your dopamine pool from getting too low. You've completed this practice. You can support my work by searching for neuro_will on social media platforms and following me there. Visit the link in my bio to access valuable information, including the world's most effective dopamine protection ebook and addiction self-help guide. There is an option to donate an addiction self-help guide to a struggling addict. If you need to talk, you can also find options to schedule a call or message me directly. Feel free to apply my Momentous Supplements discount code to your next purchase by using LifeForce in all caps at checkout. Last but not least, I appreciate your interest in science.